my channel. Today I will be creating a very simple soft glam look which will be ideal for day parties. तो सबसे पहले मैंने यूज़ किया है एक जेल प्राइमर फॉर अ स्मूथ बेस एंड देन आई एम अप्लाइंग शुगर्स मेटल foundation. This is cream to powder foundation and very lightweight, ideal for oily skin. So I will use a brush to apply it all over my face. And now I am using Tfit Concealer. It's a cream based concealer to conceal all the dark spots and my eye. And now I'm setting with Charlotte Tilbury's setting powder. To fill my eyebrows, I will be using Morphe's eye pencil. And now the fun part. So I will be today using Nykaa's neutral eyeshadow palette. So first I will use a transition shade. This will go to the crease area. And will blend it with a fluffy brush. I will be using the Mettle color to apply all over my eyelids. And now I will use the shimmer shade to apply on top of my eyelid. This is really a very gorgeous color. You will see how the eyes are just popping up after applying this shimmer. And now I will be using a smaller brush and will apply the same transition color on the lower lash line. I will blend everything and will give a soft edge to the eye makeup. And I will be using this highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury to highlight the brow bone and the corner of my eyes. And now I'm using a bronzer from SheGlam brand, and this I will be using to give some color and some definition to my face. This is a little bit warmer than I thought, but at the end you will see that this also has worked. And now I will apply the blush. This is also a liquid blush from SheGlam, I just bought all these cosmetics and I wanted to try everything. Now I'm blending with a dense brush. And now I will apply a liquid highlighter. This is from the brand Rare Beauty. This is really a very good highlighter. So now I will be using a matte setting spray and I will use it twice, एक टाइम अभी और दूसरा पाउडर एप्लीकेशन के बाद, once I set everything with the setting powder. I have applied the false eyelashes and the eyeliner back camera. Now I am cleaning my lip tint before applying the liquid lip color. So this is from Loreal. This is their liquid matte lipstick and this is the shade Let It Snows. Now I will apply the same compact powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know, setting powder, compact powder, to set my face. And now after applying the setting powder, I just noticed that the blush can be barely seen, so I'm again reapplying another blush. This is from the brand K Beauty. This is their matte blushes. So almost done with the makeup. Now I'm applying a gloss. This is from Swiss Beauty. After applying everything, I again lock with the setting spray, and this is the final look. If you really like this video, do comment, like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This will really give me confidence and I will be happy to create more videos like this. So see you next time. Bye bye.